This olive leaf peel and stick wallpaper from Livebor combines a soft sage green palette with a delicate botanical pattern that instantly freshens up walls without feeling busy or overwhelming. The generous roll length covers a large area in one continuous piece, which helps minimize seams and gives accent walls, backsplashes, or furniture a more professional, cohesive look. Its thicker vinyl construction feels durable in the hand, resists minor scuffs, and wipes clean easily, making it practical for high-traffic spaces like kitchens, bathrooms, and entryways. The self-adhesive backing grips smoothly to clean even surfaces without extra glue, and the printed grid on the liner makes measuring and cutting far less frustrating for do-it-yourself projects. Because the design is both modern and subtly farmhouse-inspired, it blends well with a wide range of decor styles, from minimalist and Scandinavian to rustic, and works on walls, cabinets, shelves, and more. When it is time for a change, this wallpaper can be peeled away from most properly prepared surfaces with minimal residue, so renters and frequent redecorators can experiment without a long-term commitment.